First, open the instrument's packaging and take out the accessories one by one. These are all the accessories after unpacking. This is electrolytic stone bottle. Electrolysis electrode, measurement electrode, 2 drying tubes. 2 sample injectors, 100 microliters and 0.5 microliters. This is a stirring rod. Fuse. Tape. On. Reagent bottle. An injection funnel, 2 pieces of print paper. A power cord. A host. Reagent debugging. Now add the reagent to the electrolytic cell bottle. First, put the stir in. Then put the funnel on. Open the reagent and slowly inject it. Reagent should be added to the electrolytic cell bottle in the middle of the 2 scale lines. After the plus sign, insert the electrolytic electrode into the bottle. After the electrolysis electrode is placed in the bottle, then put the sampling funnel on the electrolysis electrode. Then add the reagent to the electrolytic electrode. When adding, be sure to keep the reagent level inside and outside. After adding the reagent, then put the drying tube in place. The lower end of the drying tube needs to be wrapped with tape. This will make the sealing effect better. Place the measuring electrode as well. Then pick it up and shake the electrolysis video. After shaking, tilt it 45 degrees for a while. Make sure the electrode after shaking and the color of the reagents in the bottle color is still dark brown. Then you can do the initial balance. Now put the bottle on the stirring table. Insert the electrolysis electrode and the plug of the measuring electrode. There are grooves on the plug. Align and insert it. Turn on the power. After turning on, let's observe if there is any obvious stirring vortex. This is the normal stirring state of the instrument. When replacing reagents later, after tilting, put the reagent on the stirring table. After stirring for half an hour, perform the initial balance. The effect will be better. After stirring the reagent for half an hour, to adjust the reagents. First, use a 100 microliter sampling needle to draw pure water. After drawing water, wipe the needle. Then inject it from the sample inlet. Make sure the needle and the inlet are parallel. The needle should be submerged below the liquid level. Slowly inject. If one injection is not enough, continue to draw water. Don't forget to wipe the needle after taking water. When water is being injected, pay attention to the color change of the reagent in the bottle and the digital changes on the display. Now you can see the color of the reagent. Color starts to change. Slow down the water intake speed. When the color turns into a beer color. When the digital change appears on the screen, click Start. Stop water intake. The instrument starts counting. Wait until the instrument makes a beeping sound. The timing is over. The sample is ready. After the initial balance of the reagent, let's take ethanol as an example. To do an experiment, use a 100 microliter needle to draw the sample. When taking the sample, take it slowly. Before the experiment, use the sample tool. Sample several times to clean the sampling needle. The sample for cleaning should be injected outside. And don't rinse inside the sample. Wash it 3 to 5 times. After cleaning the sampling needle, when sampling, you should pay attention. The sample you draw should not have bubbles. Be sure to remove the bubbles. After sampling, wipe the needle, and then inject it from the sample inlet. Click Start first, then inject the sample. Then the screen will show the digital display. The instrument starts to automatically test. When the instrument makes a beeping sound, the experiment is completed. The number displayed on the screen is the real water content of the sample. If you need to print it, you can print it out. This experiment is over. Thank you for watching.